welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special video for you, including him. And we are going to be doing the no hands makeup challenge. So he is going to be pretending to be my hands and do my makeup. If you enjoy this video, please like and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.
Pressed powder. I don't know. We're just gonna go with pore filler.
Okay.
I guess. What do I do with this? You put this on your face?
Mm-hmm.
Is that enough?
I don't know.
Alright. We're just gonna start off by
I'm still the voice. You're just the hands.
Alright.
Alright. So I think that was good enough. I mean, I didn't get my whole face, but that's okay.
Now we're gonna prime it. Oh.
No, we didn't prime it.
We're gonna prime it this time.
Oh, no, I'm going to be priming my face. I'm crying.
I don't know what to do.
So now I'm going to be putting on some foundation and or BB cream.
There it is.
Are you gonna throw everything? Because please don't throw my makeup palettes. Now I'm just rubbing this onto my still wet face.
You expect me to know how to do this?
I'm crying.
I can reach for it. Oh yeah. Get all up on there.
Okay, so now I'm just going to be setting my makeup. You can tell I do this a lot.
What is this for?
To conceal.
What? What are we concealing? Alright. I'm gonna poke my eye.
It's okay.
There's that.
Okay.
Alright.
I guess I'm done with concealer. Alright, yep. I'm just gonna use this brush here and bring that all the way down to my cheeks. Alright, so now that my eyebrows are done, I think, maybe some eyeshadow?
Here we go.
Or some contouring. We're going to do the eyeshadow. Alright. Going with the Glam Metals palette. That's it.
Some Rebel here. Oh.
Alright. Going in with that color Rebel.
Go above or below?
Wherever you want it. What the big ass rush! Oh my gosh!
Doing good. Doing good. Just need you to chill out here for a second.
Do you even know where my eyes are? Same big brush, I see.
Here. Well,
I just really like that brush.
well, accent.
Oh, okay. Alright.
We'll do some rock on.
Alright. Now I'm going in with the color Rock On. Oh my god. I can't. It's cute. It's applied to all underneath of my eye. And now I usually like to go through and contour my face. Just... Yep, that's a contour shade.
Okay.
You're actually not bad. You kind of know how to put it on.
Is it supposed to like get this wet?
It might be dried out. Is it?
Oh.
Oh, there it goes.
There we go.
Now I'm just gonna use a different one because apparently my other one wasn't working.
No, I think we're good on that.
Just kidding, I'm done with eyeliner.
Alright. Now what's next?
I mean, lipstick and setting spray, I think that's it. And highlighter.
This highlighter?
Now I'm just gonna go through and highlight my face. You know exactly where that goes. Okay. Now I'm going to get on some lipstick. Of course you picked the darkest color.
Yeah. I think it's a good color. You need to quit laughing and moving around. Stop. You're making this difficult.
A part of the lipstick wasn't even touching me. I was just getting the bottom part of
laughing.
it. Okay. So there's my lipstick. Now I'm going to set my makeup.
You ready?
My eyes were still closed.
There you go.
Okay. This Oh my gosh. So this right here.
That light does not make it any better.
So, you're supposed to fan my face, not me. So, this right here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. So yeah, please subscribe and I will see you next time. Thank you.